An anti-cancer diet is a plant-based diet that is naturally high in fiber and starches. There is no secret formula. It's quite simple and focuses on whole foods straight from the earth, such as fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, spices, nuts, seeds, and herbal teas. These nutrient-packed foods help microbiome, which in turn not only boosts our immune system, but also helps protect us against diseases such as cancer. As you may already know, a huge part of our immune system is located in the gut. What's more, certain plant foods have powerful nutrients that can prevent and stop the growth of cancer cells in various ways. But first, did you know that all of us have potentially cancerous cells in our bodies? These cancer cells cannot grow into tumors larger than 2 millimeters unless they first form new blood vessels through a process called angiogenesis. Cancer occurs when a group of abnormal cells grow and hijack the body's normal balance system of angiogenesis. Without angiogenesis, these cancer cells would never become dangerous. That's because tumors need nutrients and oxygen to grow and spread, and they do this by sending out chemical signals that create new blood vessels in the area. This allows blood, oxygen, and nutrients to reach the tumor and help it keep growing. But if we block angiogenesis, we can actually slow down tumor growth and starve the cancer cells. According to the research of Dr. William Lee, President, Medical Director, and co-founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, there are many foods with remarkable anti-angiogenic properties. That is, they prevent blood vessels from feeding cancers, so tumors simply can't grow. Some of these are green tea, ginseng, strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, oranges, grapefruit, lemons, apples, pineapples, cherries, red grapes, kale, maitake mushrooms, turmeric, nutmeg, lavender, artichokes, pumpkins, parsley, garlic, cooked tomatoes, olive oil, and my personal favorite, dark chocolate. Many of these plant-based foods are not only anti-angiogenic, but they are also packed with compounds that can cause cancer cells to commit suicide, prevent them from spreading, and disrupt their metabolism. Even more astonishingly, research has shown that when foods are combined, their anti-cancer effects become even stronger. Now, an anti-cancer diet, or an anti-angiogenic diet, is essentially the same as an anti-inflammatory diet. That is because inflammation is like the fuel that ignites and accelerates cancer's relentless progression. By focusing on foods that help fight inflammation, we are also helping our body prevent and heal from cancer. In this video, we showcase a few of the most powerful anti-cancer fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices that reduce inflammation and help your body prevent and kill cancer cells. According to lab, animal, and human studies. Let's begin with number 1, anti-cancer fruits. The number 1 anti-cancer fruit is berries. Berries contain ellagic acid, anthocyanins, and other compounds that can reduce mutations and shield our cells from free radicals and DNA damage, as well as slow down or stop cancer cell growth. For many types of cancer, in a 2011 study, patients with early-stage throat cancer took 60 grams of powdered, freeze-dried strawberries daily for 6 months. After that time, half of them were disease-free, and their tumor markers had dropped significantly. All thanks to the strawberries. And it's not just strawberries. Animal studies have shown that cranberries can have anti-cancer effects on 9 types of cancer, including colon, bladder, stomach, prostate, and others like lymphoma and glioblastoma, an aggressive type of brain cancer. In another study, athletes who ate 2 cups of blueberries daily for 6 weeks almost doubled their blood's cancer-destroying cells from 2 billion to 4 billion. And did you know that the Indian gooseberry, or amla, has the highest known antioxidant content of any food? It has 200 times more antioxidants than blueberries. A 2010 study found that annual extracts stopped cancer growth, killed over half of the existing cells, and greatly reduced the spread of cancer. Now, you might be thinking, but doesn't fruit sugar feed cancer? Well, natural sugars in fruits and vegetables actually give energy to cells and offer anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. That's totally different from refined sugars, which are processed and contain chemicals. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin. This active compound can actually alter cancer-related genes linked to cancer cell growth. It is similar to curcumin and turmeric, which targets multiple cancer-related pathways. What's interesting is that habanero peppers have even more capsaicin. However, be careful, they are super spicy. Coming up at number 2, we have anti-cancer vegetables. The number 1 anti-cancer vegetable is garlic, thanks to its unique mix of phytochemicals and organosulfur compounds like allicin. Numerous studies have shown that garlic lowers the risk of all cancers, particularly colon, stomach, intestinal, and prostate. It has antibacterial properties, can fight cancer-causing substances, helps with DNA repair, slows down cancer cell growth, and even triggers apoptosis, programmed cell death. To help your body with healing, consume several cloves of fresh garlic per day. You can also choose an aged garlic extract. All members of the allium family, garlic, leeks, yellow onions, and green onions, have been shown to halt the growth of cancer cells. Next, broccoli contains sulforaphane. Eating lots of broccoli and cauliflower, as well as other cruciferous vegetables, may help lower the chances of certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. These veggies, including Brussels sprouts, kale, bok choy, and cabbage, contain an anti-cancer compound called indole 3-carbinol. This compound has been shown to supercharge intestinal immune cells. And let's not forget about sulforaphane, another compound found in broccoli and other crucifers. It's produced when raw broccoli is chopped or chewed, and it's been shown to slow tumor growth, neutralize toxins, reduce inflammation, and block mutations in DNA that lead to cancer. To reap these benefits, just chop broccoli about 30 to 40 minutes before cooking. Want even more benefits? Try broccoli sprouts. They have 25 times more sulforaphane and 100 times more indole 3-carbinol. Eating them raw allows you to enjoy their immune-boosting and detoxifying perks. Next, mushrooms contain beta-glucan. Certain mushrooms, like maitake, reishi, cordyceps, turkey tail, and shiitake, are commonly used in Japan and China to complement cancer treatments. One study found that people who ate mushrooms could actually tolerate more chemotherapy treatments, possibly because they experienced fewer side effects, which could indirectly help them live longer. These mushrooms contain a powerful anti-cancer fiber called beta-glucan, which has an incredible ability to boost the immune system. Another interesting fact is that breast cancer rates in Asian women are 6 times lower than in America. Green tea and mushrooms have been identified as protective dietary factors. A 2009 study discovered that Chinese women who consumed 15 mushrooms and 15 cups of green tea monthly had a whopping 90% lower risk of breast cancer compared to those who didn't regularly consume them. And at number 1, we have anti-cancer herbs and spices. The number 1 anti-cancer spice is turmeric. It's astonishing that while most cancer drugs target only one cancer pathway, curcumin, the active anti-cancer compound found in turmeric, actually targets at least 80 cancer-linked cell signaling pathways. Curcumin may even hinder cancer development at every stage, including formation, tumor growth, and metastasis, spreading to other parts of the body. What's more, it induces apoptosis in various cancer cells, without harming normal cells. Combine turmeric with freshly ground black pepper to boost curcumin absorption by 2000%. Next, oregano is more than just a spice. Oregano is an amazing spice with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Next, green tea is full of EGCG. Green tea and matcha green tea are packed with anti-cancer phytonutrients called catechins like epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, and have about 13 times more antioxidants than blueberries and pomegranates. Drinking green tea regularly has been linked to a lower risk of death from heart disease and other causes. Plus, it's been shown to reduce the risk of cancers like breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Next, hibiscus tea is surprisingly powerful. Recent studies reveal that hibiscus tea has over 400% more antioxidants than green tea. This blood pressure-lowering tea is also full of phenolic acids, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. What's even more interesting is that lab tests found that hibiscus extracts can stop cancer cell growth and have positive effects on inflammation, atherosclerosis, liver disease, diabetes, and other metabolic issues. This makes hibiscus tea a fantastic drink to choose from. To recap, to prevent cancer and even slow down its progression, adopt an anti-inflammatory diet that includes lots of fruits and vegetables, which are naturally high in fiber and starch. At the same time, avoid refined sugar, white flour, processed foods, vegetable oils, and trans fats. If you like this video, let us know in the comments section below. Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.